Awaken your inner gastronome with the Elise from Rangemaster, which combines professional performance with sophisticated design. Inspired by the finest gourmet chefs of Europe, the 110cm dual-fuel Elise follows a distinctly continental design, with stylish cooker knobs, soft brushed aluminium trim, and a vibrant colour palette. It also comes with a wealth of serious cooking features under the surface to satisfy the most demanding of cooking enthusiasts. This cooker has both a fan oven as well as a multifunction oven. The multifunction oven is every cook's dream, combining the fan and heating elements to create the ideal conditions for up to 7 different cooking functions, so no dish is ever too challenging. Add to that a separate glide-out grill and handy rack, and both grilling and roasting become effortless. Plus, with catalytic liners, which stop fat accumulating, keeping it clean is almost effortless too. On the hob, you can have up to 6 pans on the go at once, and with its single-handed ignition, you won't have any trouble firing them all up at the same time. And if you're into your stir-fries, the Elise comes with a perfect addition, a wok cradle to use with the multi-ring burner. Plus, the handy storage drawer down below means whatever's on the menu, you can always keep the right equipment within arm's reach. The Elise is A-rated for energy efficiency, comes with FSDs for added safety, and is also available as an induction model. You can check out the full range of cookers on our website or by visiting your local store.